to another video. In this video, I want to show you how you can actually add comments to all possible critical priority issues within your Jira and using the Python, not using the script runner or something like that. Of course, this has been done using the Python script. And also, I'm going to go through all of the Python scripts. So we have 5 critical issues that have been created actually in here. And so how does it go for the Python right now? So within the Python, what we are actually having is, well, first of all, we're using the requests and we're using the JSON library. Of course, you're going to use your Jira URL, which is your instance, your email, and the API token that you can actually generate for yourself. So first of all, we're looking at some of the endpoints in here. And for the endpoints, we're using the search API endpoint, and we're also fetching all of the possible. We're also having all of the comments prepared as well. So first of all, it's using the priority of critical and the status category of none. So this is the JQL query. We're also using the headers for the authentication. And this is the Atlassian document format that is being actually used for the comments. And this is the JSON data that you're actually adding to your body. And within the body, we're having this text that is going to be added in there that it's saying, please take a look at this issue. It's urgent. So first thing, what is going to happen is to verify the authentication in here. And when the authentication is actually being successful, it moves on. The second thing what it does is getting all of the responses, which is basically fetching the critical issues. And as you can see, it's gonna fetch in here maximum 50 results. If you want to fetch more of the issues, basically like 1,000 issues that you're actually working on, and this is the limit that you can use, which is the 1,000 issues, you can change this number in here as well. All right, so what it's saying in here, if the status code is 200, then we're giving the list of these issues in here. So if no issues have found that have the critical priority, it's going to print out no critical priority issues found. But if it's going to find them, it's going to say how many of them have been actually found. And then we are in the process of adding the tokens in here. So first of all, it's saying comment that has been added to the issue key, and also if the comment was failed and there is a reason of the failure as well. All right, so if we run the script right here, first of all, it's saying that it's found 50 critical issues in here. So which is going to be the something that, well, we have added indeed. Now, probably it's not going to go through my 5 of those issues as well, because I have limited this to be on the 50. So it's now going through, and this was the last one. So what I want to do in here, I want to increase the length. I want to increase the length, and I want to say 100 of maximum issues. And it said even in here that it indeed found 100 critical issues. Okay, that's interesting. So we can actually see that it's going through these critical issues again. It's adding the comments in there, and I'm going to show you how it's actually reflecting it on the Jira itself. So it's really going for it. And we're just gonna wait for it to finish. Meanwhile, we have these issues in here. So yeah, we're gonna see how is it gonna go for them. Yeah, so it's going, yeah, it's adding a lot of comments in here. A lot of comments. All right, so it said that basically indeed add some of the comments in here. So right away, yeah, I can see that. But what I can change in here is the JQL query. So it's saying priority critical, and I'm going to say and project equals. So I'm finding this mobile, which is named mobile dev. All right, so mobile. All right, okay, that's going to be interesting to find. And project equals to mobile dev. All right, so now failed to fetch issues, error in jQuery, expecting. All right, priority critical, and the project equals mobile dev. But dot dev. Okay, no problem. Mobile. Let's go with that. There we go. It's saying that it found 16 critical issues, and it's adding the comments to those 16 critical issues. Let me see in here. So we are having the mobile 58, 57, 56, 55, and 54, which has been defined in here. So if I go ahead and refresh this, I should be able to see this, and there we go. Please take a look at this issue, it's urgent. And then please take a look at this issue, it's urgent. So this is how you can actually comment on those critical issues as well. The another thing that could be defined is that you can tag some people in there, but we're actually not doing the tagging for now. This is what I wanted to show you, how you can, by using Python, how you can actually automate this whole process. So yeah, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. See ya.